Religion has caused many problems in Africa. We see Muslims and Christians fighting each other. We see families falling apart because of religion. Siblings not talking to each other. Children not talking to their parents because a false prophet gave a false prophecy telling people that their mother is the cause of their downfall and their mother wants to kill them. Your own mother who carried you in her womb, sacrificing literally everything to take care of you. If she wanted to kill you, she could have done that while you were still a fetus. But you believe a pastor more than your own mom who loves you unconditionally. I see people dying day after day because a pastor told them not to take their pills and that they should fast and pray and that everything will be okay. Meanwhile, this pastor takes his family to the best doctors in the country. I see people buying anointing oil, holy water, handbands and stickers for protection. Meanwhile, your pastor is walking with bodyguards, with full security in his home. I've seen poor people giving these fake pastors all the money they got, and they will go home empty-handed and hungry, starving themselves and their own children, while these so-called pastors driving expensive cars and live in mansions.
Ebusuafo Mimamu ina akwaba edeba Free Mind Family Evangelist Ade say ogusu a oye ne ntoto ano na mo a eya amoka se na yenyan no emaye muwa no na wabodam na na adwe nya djuma eni ade no fair enough mo so more point nanso I was a moti ase se sebi mpreduasa wiase nyina omo adwemu ha na edoso wiase nyina sebi ejimifuo na edoso enti se yen enyasafo no si yetna se ekanya no tum na se yeye ahweha ema ebinom edada sebi oma adwemu ha na ese yankasa no yeni odobia ma omo adwemu sebi empreduasa ha no what you say Evangelist Ade wakan sembi na nensem kakra na waka no mepese sebi yede kwa adwendwen mu na yehwe se so is he making sense or he's not making sense ti ebusua yeni ka yentie nensem kakra na waka anase ode atodwa no na se wi a ahwejua ma kire madwen yentie Evangelist
me kire busua funya isua de kakra my mum says CSF will be why you ding. My mum says CSF. I catch them say live for me. Yes, and my baby CSF for my mum say baby why you ding. La no so you ding. If we are na make a simple chiro me say common sense common. Adie bia ye common no kwa na ho nhya da nya yisa what you say ho nhya da hia sa tiu nti mo nyina obi aboa edwie kura na ewe uti no edwie a ye hye wutiri ma wutiti mu na edwie common sense kotre common sense but edie be na ma ye tumeche aboa osom common sense akoko common ade na mo no ho ya no mu dwane ye boss ya nantwie kura so nipa but enipa to me kire nantwie de nantwie hye kem nantwie nso common sense but inyame som nyame na apagya yensa memenim no kore ebile bi atwam yenim de na ye de ape ebile bi adura hu hia bi ye nya bi nti meme firi ko na menim se obi wo mnastero ha Ghana fo a ese mema Ghana fo nyina ya we na ubia nso tunu hofu tiram ka chem se CSF no me kura se ibu nse enche bia you see me amenka sem chew CSF a business ben moshi e ba kwa program every year bia mo organize program bi na yesi debate bi sa aso okuhia nkrofo bi obi atakorade ana okuhia nkrofo bi okumase ana akra hwa na emum no betime ehu ben moshi anim e program na se ese wutua sika this year de no na 35 Ghana cedis TMU every member me the poster no so ebeto page ha ma mo ben mo she program bu kuma se no o charge 35 Ghana cedis 35 cedis Benimushi a charge mo moko yenso awro hosem ne say ensem na wadi kan dada na mama hwe ewo Facebook ene WhatsApp so eno na osanko repeat kire mo Jesus is not the Messiah na mo atia eno na moko ye Benimushi sanko kan kire mo ho watua 30 wadwen ye adwuma pa timitua 35 Ghana cedis kwatena ho na obi ka che say Jesus is not the Messiah na utua ko concert bi kura sanko ni beje kakra what you say oyana ubi say you have lost your credibility mumunti na ubi jimi kura wonti me mpa chewo mumunti Ghana fo mpanyimfo be koto ajibi say rough akere what you say by team amaka sanchiro President Akufo-Addo kura wo ye Ghana man panyin no ebe kuma sese Ghana fo ye nkohwe no na onkoka ensem onkutu yafo na onka nsem tire se election e be si ni no be o weni a enema obaya ma Ghana ni no Akufo-Addo ankase obi tua one Ghana po ansa ma ba program but both benefit ebe organize program bi mo aje se mo tua kakra ebusuafo we nye business ya ka mo si adede o say CSF leader ebit meshiam aje mo shi mamenfa me fun yin si na fire mo ya CSF chairman ebetumi aba bi shiam aje se mo tua 35 Ghana na ni akoko ko shi Akufo-Addo mo tua say mo shi rollers ni asante mo so tua say okay we asem network ni mo yo network ni yo rough me hu se me phone okay na so kwakushia common sense common kwakushia common sense chairman o situ ya 35 Ghana common sense chairman situ ya 35 Ghana nani ukushia Akufo-Addo obitu ya say ukushia prophet Ousu Bempam obitu ya say common ukushia men of God wa oban word of Jesus ko tahonto asema wotimi ka kire mo Jesus is not the Messiah
ebusuafo evangelists are there so ti nanum ensem ni ya the way o see ebo Reverend Ousu Bempam edi no there are only two things involved ni edi kan no is either say asofo bi num te say Reverend Ousu Bempam ena omuta ne chi say onya nia oye no anase number 2 the way we see edidi asofo no atem the way we see edidi kumchacha atem ajagraja atem ene Ghana mpanimfo bi atem a empo wadidi eye asante hene ye nana otumfo osetutu atem no sesei ehu aka no ehu abono enti opekwan bi so se ne be ya omode ne bone be che no se ne be ya empo se bia omo any bad plans against him ombe sa plans no every omutrim enu ntina wahase a asesesei or condemn Abraham se ne be ya obetimi eweni the support of the pastors afin so no information menya ne say opese oba Ghana what you say opese oba Ghana na Ghana na oba no osuro if you say watia nipa bebre nan so into nim say wanhwe ye ene omo anye peace na se otuni nan esi Ghana wanhwe ya na obi akwakodi ni bone enu ntina ope kwan bi so se ne be ya oni omo be reconcile and san as obeba Ghana waba enu ntina wo place our games no enu ntina wo place our tactics no tebusunya yeni kan entiasiesa ne kasa mu no obeki point bi o se sebi common sense eye common na sebi emuampo common sense otumi krambo ka se sebi edwie a ewo nipa trim na se etimi eba nipa trim mpo edwie aboa edwie mpo e common sense osono e common sense na kotre enso e common sense ebusunya tie meye aha sei na mpese otiase se obi bia obeka kire wo se emoa e common sense bia no saa nipa no oyo trofo saa nipa no otumfutro egu wani saa nipa no odada o menua be ma menua ba tie meye me ba be kire obi bia obesori aka kire wo se common sense eye common na emoa mpo common sense no saa nipa no odada o common sense and common. So common sense common now, and we are supposed to see a more decent society. We are supposed to see a more clean environment. We are supposed to see a more organized society, because common sense is common. Esan say enya common ti enunti na sebi. Our society is this way because we don't apply and use our common sense. TME. Ghana ya mino essay. Ghana ya mino aye fi. Ghana ya mino bibia aye basa system no enye juma because of your common sense aye use. It will be because of common sense aye common na. Sa nipa no say who or that thou eye mfutro bi e na otugu weni. Ebusua emua any common sense. Emua they act with instincts. There's a difference between instincts and common sense. Common sense, it goes with sense. And as a common sense, a sense. Nipa, essence, a superior to emua. We don't act with instincts. We act with reason. That is sense. Emua and acting with reason. They act with instincts. Instincts, different from sense. TME. Was here. For example, ebia uwo fie, one wo kramai na ewo fie. The moment a hoho be wura fie ho no, kramai no, the instincts be kire ni say, saa nipa ya obey oye hoho unhu ne da. Saa nipa we oye threat into attack. Ubo say hwa na kramai no ba also because the dog acted with instincts and not sense. TME. Ba wo na wo fie ho no, the moment I better say obi abapronum anase obi abafie ho no, oho nipa ne da unim ne a ope ofie ho nanso o sense anase o common sense no e be kire wo say mame emmai nipa na mimisa no ne a ope bi ana o hwe obi anase bi ana ohia emua bi. You first of all not see that person as a threat. You get close to the person to ask ne a ope when na ohwehwe no anase emua be na o person e be ya so wo sa amua ni bia obetimi aboa no anase se nipa kra ohwehwe no no ofie wo a obetimi afre nipa kra no ama no. That is sense. That is sense. Senka nipa uni common sense anka the moment a obemu se obi awura ofie no anka bia se kan bi kra obetam se ode kwakọ wo nipa no because uni sense. Instincts na ewo trimu, so you just try to attack that person because you see that person as an enemy. Senya kramai be ne die no. Now so essence say wo nipa, you act with reason, you act with sense and not instincts. Inti obedwen ho say oh nipa me hu ni da oye hoho na so eno nkire sasabi oye threat ma men no na me ntie na asem se me tie na asem wie a na metimi a conclude say sabi oye nipa boni ni anase oye nipa papa eho na metimi atake any action. It is a obi kire wo say emua e common sense obua or that emua any common sense emua they act with instincts. Inti hompudi adanse say evangelists are there unim nia oka. Evangelists are there, he is less educated. Evangelists are there sebi in futuro bi na all to egu Ghana fuani. He doesn't know what he's saying. He is not even educated enough to be able to differentiate between instincts and common sense. Sanipa we you be a sebi Ghana for or kasa e wo se mutie. Yankwa the second point no so. Now can be say Abraham any common sense family for omo eye program no Kumasi no oje 35 cedis na sebi Ghana for Jimmy say ensem krampo okoka Kumasi no eye ensem bia waye ho Facebook live ensem bia waka kan na so Abraham sa ko jina Kumasi eka sa ensem a waka dada no na owi a wasa charge 35 cedis for listening to him. Ebusua mami nchechire mu Abraham ko Kumasi no baby a omuko hia ye no sebi eho na enye free. Baby omuko share ya no a public place ehon no na enye free ehon no do they pay for that place. It is sebi na ehun be hia say mo am be kọ akọkọ tie na numu asem no osem mutimi bua say na be ya obetimi a pay for that premises and the chairs that you people sat on enye free. And now say or charge even say campo for what he's saying. I mean knowledge is not for free. Knowledge is not for free. So go school and son obetimi enya o PhD and I say o masters and I say o doctorate no na sika what tria no enye sika ketua to acquire that knowledge you pay for it. Knowledge is not for free. It will be or say wash a demo enya mere esua Bible esua Quran abe Jewfo no finally welcome to the realization say every religion and all religious books were invented. Sa nipa we say what the sound knowledge we mawa anka ancestor knowledge no po free. Na so Abraham ba social media or sha say nyina na free na onye sika bia free obi ho until say movement no enyi do level bia and the boys are obedi na chi no edoso obenya management say or say na he had a lot of rounds to do car full any ade na ehun be hia say bi mo amodo no amudi na chi amu sebi mo nsamo bi no na ehun be hia say mo safo no mo betimi aboa no ana say oye program bia obefa ho na ono so ede age ni kakra say na be ya obetimi ede apia movement no because ade bia wo ye owiase bia no sebi eyeska na make say minim say ogidi ni bi so be ka kire me say na say ne sanso na ne say asofo no jiska dia don't complain ma me tell nature you complaining asofo no de no nature you complaining asofo de ni say asofo de no they are taking money from you in the name of a god ma me kire wase it was say psychologically no omudi kan am have some guilty conscience within you say where you sika every bottom amfa ma na sabi the God or that their God is not happy with you and that their God might bring calamity to you or cause misfortunes in your life simply because you did not give him your money. It no a psychological extortion. Waje free will everyone by using the tactics of that God. At that point in time, say usika last morning pona aka wobotom poa, you be forced to give that money to the pastor because or the nyangopo DB to trim and what kind psychologically I'm feeling guilty inside of you say one man is carnal, God is not happy with you, therefore you be tempted and forced to give that money to the pastor. But Abraham dear no oko kuma say wanya no by force change na bra be 5 cedis betie no wanya no force and as ikana obisa ne followers no or making a force or say sebi so wa kuma pa na so person obuana mobile money number ni fafa so it's as simple as that it no enya force on ka say enhira bi wom and on ka say nyame bi e na ahye no say for sika no bremen and na on ka say for sika no bra na won kire wa kwankyire bi ana say be blessing bi mra wa bra bom da bi it Abraham de no e different from asofo no de no and na evangelist Krambo ka say a message Abraham ba media mo ne message we eduru hefa Ghana for saying and until now omo ati Abraham message no it is Abraham eka and say e discuss one topic on social media na say osako share kumase e discuss the same topic. What is wrong with that? Ghana for saying and until now omo ati Abraham ka mo Bible na maka ho asema ka for hundreds of years Bible bako yankai enwieda Bible back from Genesis to Revelation. Ya tonwa aton Monday Bible ho asema na yeka. Tuesday the same Bible, Wednesday Bible, Thursday Bible, Friday Bible, Saturday Sunday the same Bible. And so enompo you don't get tired of it. Enompo mo nka se Bible no ya tia brenti me nkwa sorry bi so na so kotona sorry dem ho. Etie the same Bible. Etia osofo ka each and every day you go to the church and know that you are okay with it. And not there, you have no problem with it. Bible bako, you're preaching for more than 1,000 years. And not there, you have no problem with it. You're in abribia, you have quotation bako, ni kan dia musika. Still, more than so the musika ema software no. Bible because they are reading from the Bible and not there, you have no problem with it. Abraham assemble bako there or on social media. And sasa okan BM, that is how hypocritical we are. That is how we hate the truth as black people. Yem penokre ni obeka nokre akire yen ama ya brabo akonkan no na ye tan sa nipa no na ye pekwan bia so to bring that person down because we are haters of the truth. That is why the black man is suffering, and that is why the black man, if care is not taken, will continue to suffer for eternity because he am penokre. Bible bako ye sha se di musika eyene. Bible bako ye sha se di musika eyene. And so besi ne you are still reading the Bible. Besi ne you are still paying money, tithe, offering, seed to the Bible. And you see nothing wrong with it. Abraham message there, or can the social media about Kwa, or say with Jai, and say, or can it be BM? You see how hypocritical we are? You see how we are not sincere as a people? You see how hypocritical we are? You see how we are not sincere as a people? Meaning, my evangelists are there and not down. So evangelist catcher will say, common sense family, and your business are obwa. Common sense family is not a business. A movement Abraham acted to enlighten the people. A movement Abraham acted say or they educated the good people of Ghana. And your business. And your business. Unforeseen will be and I say before you come and listen to the message on social media, pay this amount before you listen to the message. He doesn't take that kind of money from anybody. Obi bia obetu ni bottom ama Abraham ska bia no, that person is giving that money to Abraham out of his own free will and free choice. If you say Abraham, he does not extort money. Onfanya mi dibi emo henya, onfanya mi dibi ehunu na self on kamano na wan fa kana mana, that God is going to cause calamities in your life. No, Abraham does not do that. It is point the difference between the two, between myself for any Abraham there no. This will be by that down. And I say, Obi by catch us say, common sense family for a business or that down. Evangelists are there is not somebody you can trust. Obi with me account for Abraham. Now within less than 1 month, or say try the home, Ebeka said here Abraham. No, this person is not somebody Ghanaians can trust.
Why? Abraham Yeminia, a Juma Abraham Abon, me salutuno. Edwuma ben mo hia aboma yesi nkrofo sefu sika na tight asofo nyani no okay me nyame dada mata obi ya de papa support no ben mo hia wa bodwuma why me wonya metamfu obi ya de a wosayi ya mo support no inipa brain tua tight no ben mo hia kan sometimes I know how I me pretend kakra se bia ade bia I know how I push people to do more. What you say? By a dreamer, Ben Moshe and me support 100%. Nyame be na me di can start here. Me de chire mo say Bible ni Jesus be any one of Ghana for no. And Ben Moshe nso aboa won said this time me de mo kwa another level.
A few moments later.
Mommy yanka no kra. See yourself no say wo common sense and e dey be no wetim dia ma Ghana. Enya bragging keke na wo brage da bia de dia no wetim ya. Wo fun an wi so no ho na ye fun no bre o Ghana. Se broni de Bible ne ba be kum Ghana fo a. Ade na broni ye fun bre wo waje fun na wo de fun na kura. Ghana fo ma money na akwa no wo criminal.
Ebosia obi a otimi e praise Abraham. Eso camera esi no so. Account for Abraham and common sense family for say omunti say Ghana for any adaho omunti say Ghana for ejai tight ni tua ejai offering tua entisika na nka omude bema asofo no say Ghana for ashase use asika no to benefit themselves. Now the sad people we in less than 1 month or so than ne ho ebedidi Abraham atem accuse Abraham say sebi or yes scam or your fraud. This is not somebody that Ghanaians have got to listen. On say, on no kasa na num ensemu no, or can say, or no, say obi eya dia eya ohu na so etomre bia or ya or pretende. Into bia obi bia na no say, eka say obi nom eye ade papa ohu na so etomre bia or sha that pretende edidi o matem. E criticize omo etanishe omu image send be ya obetimi atrend no salifa we onye obi a obeka bibi efa Abraham ho a e was Ghana for mo fan it serious because ono akata per his own words he does not have credibility. We're losing the sense of honesty onye honest. Evangelist are there is not somebody that Ghanaians have got to listen at all, to listen to, because onye credible. He is a living contradiction. Evangelists are there. Nitrimo sum. Now, say only Abraham a collaboration. Now say Abraham say power collaboration, power yonkofa, power she. Do lane muna ono so any the lane ma. We so a bufuo. We so a tarnishing of image biasem. We so a fabrication of stories biasem. We so a attendidie. Ebusiafo, be careful. with evangelists are there. The trimo sum obi a wait me akamfo ni nua, and mind you, me who say I stand to be corrected. Me who say not even for once have I seen Abraham criticizing this guy on his planet. The same way I have never seen Abraham praising this guy on his platform. Abraham has remained neutral when it comes to evangelists are there. Or no on ho asembone and on also on no. Into Abraham has remained a neutral stance on evangelists are there. It was Noah would be back for Abraham not less than 1 month or say chane ho ever condemn no. That alone tells you say he is not somebody that you can trust. He's a very dishonest person on kanokre. Tigana for Mamunti no. And mama evangelists are there and do for money. Abraham, he didn't come to the Ghanaian media space to lie to anybody, to deceive anybody. He came with the truth. He came with the word of God. He came, you better transition every the state of being believers to the state of being thinkers. And this is a national asset. Sebi before Ghana for somebody like Abraham na go say sebi ye man national security impo e born ho by e protecting no, because na juma na wo ye no hu pa. The most riskiest and dangerous job in the world is to enlighten black people, because ye hu be that Oma almost sorry yes baby before ni na no they were assassinated. Ye hu be that to be to say Abraham and anko say Ghana for ye born ho by na ma mene papa obi a o ka kire wo say jai tight tria jai offering no tria na nyina no e scam na emum za sika no fa boa wo ankasa wo ho se na be ya wo ankasa wo be hu enkan ko e wo abra bomu sa nipa we sabi ye dome no sa nipa we sabi ye gu na ni mu ase sa nipa we sabi ye pekoti kwan bi so e de brenase sa nipa we sabi ye gu na ni mu ase ebusia e ya rehosem. Somebody who wants you to have a good life. Somebody who wants you to stay and be a fearless person. Somebody who wants you to stop giving your money to fraudsters and use that money to improve on your own life and your own self. Sanipa we you see an enemy. Sanipa we sabi you didn't attempt a good hufi. Menka say Abraham you be a any mistake there be. Abraham is a human being subject to human error. And it's not makano wahada na me say sisu bi mu say Abraham say oye nia enya me meka me nsuru Abraham o free my me kama dwen me nsuru bia na me mfa hwe enya hwe me kama dwen ti Abraham oye nia enya me bo na chi meka. I'll sit on my platform here and condemn him totally. Sanso na oye nia eye so ameka. Sanso na say obi ebe fabricating stories be efa ne ho just to bring him down or tarnish his image. I will not accept it. I will sit here and defend him. Sana metie. Tie busuya ye ma ya dwene nya djuma na e ma ye ntena ho e ma sabi obi entomfu true engu Ghana fo ani. Why? Obi entomfu true engu Ghana fo ani. Ghana for Common Sense family, Abraham Ben Moshe, they came for your good. They came send be ya o hia na Ghana for team no ye be bravi ye send be ya Ghana for so atari for wa ye beti ebi ye beti dene send be ya Ghana for so ye be hu enkan ko e we ya brabo mu wa mase oba be twemo afri nyankopon ensem da bi nyame no otimo mu enti Abraham can never separate Ghanaians from God na emum oba ye send be ya that system any falsehood na ya ton amamo amaba be a slave or slaves to that falsehood no obetimi atremadwe every falsehood no mse ne be ya obetimi connecting yourself to reality. Sa nipa we say yentimi enhira no mpo a ye nnome no obeti say Abraham Ben Moshe say yentimi enhira no mpo a sabi ye nnome no. Ghana for mumi ensu enyansa why mumi ensu enyansa na broni kromu enya Bible no de chichire China for any Bible any China for enkwa sorry now so look at China. Look at China. Today you live or Ghanaians travel from the so-called God-fearing country to a country which does not fear God to look for greener pastures. It is between you and them who is wise. Utu kwa free Ghana mo se nyame som man. Ghana mo se a God-fearing nation to China omo empo ensum nyame to look for greener pastures. Only China you know say be hwan enim nyansa. Mo a mo se mo ye God-fearing mutumi tena ha ema ekom demo ema China fo a omo nyi nyame mpu ni no omo dua mo ema ebika ema omo de saa nia aka no ebre mo se mu ni a sebi mo ne China fo no hwan ena enim nyansa ena hwan so na Nyankopɔn edo omo nia wo yusu wadwen effort to be a wo ye bia no. God watches our efforts and not he does not listen to our prayer. He watches our effort. In the effort how be put in no eno na nyame be hwe so ade ahira wo enye de na obeya ne mpaebo na obeya tiatiamu ama wo ne kra esi no da bi tebusiafo Avram se yentimi mpo ennanase se yentimi mpo enhira na emamu maye nnome no. A word to the wise is enough. Me do asese wa hwe me do asese wa tie me. My name is John Freemind and you're part of the Freemind family. And see you in my next video. Have a nice time. Have a lovely day. Peace. Bless up. Bye.